everyone, welcome to Beginner's Top. In this video, we are going to see how to install Visual Studio. Go to your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Here, the first link, which is from code.visualstudio.com, click on that. If you are a Mac user, select Mac. Here, I am going with Windows. I already downloaded this, so I am getting this pop-up. If you are not downloaded, you will get a download pop-up in which you have to click download. Select the location and click OK. Now on the license agreement, click on I accept and next. Save the location and next. If you want a start menu folder, then click on that and next. Here, check all the boxes and click on next. Now you can install. It might take few seconds to install. Now click on finish and you will get a Visual Studio on desktop. For the first time, it might take few minutes. Now we can select themes. We have light and dark theme. This is light and this is dark. I'll select dark. And on the left side we have Explorer, Search and Source Control, which is for git clone, and fourth one debugging and run, and next extensions. The first one, Solution Explorer, we can open folders for our projects. Here I am creating a new folder which I name it as demo folder. I am selecting the folder and now that folder will open in the Solution Explorer. Click on the Trust the Authors checkbox and yes, I trust the authors. And now you can create a new file here or here. If you click here, it will get a text file. You will get a text file, which is this. But if you want to any extension files, that is .html or Python files, you can select here and you can create it here. This is the HTML file, and if you want any Python extension file, then you can save it with .py extension. Now it will ask for a recommendation extensions for Python. If you want, you can install those. And we are good to use Visual Studio Code in our system. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.